Are you trying to personalize your Canvas journeys, but user attributes keep getting messy? Maybe you want to store one-time data, like what product someone just added to their cart, but you don't want it cluttering their permanent profile. If that sounds familiar, you'll love the new context steps feature. Previously known as Canvas entry properties, now they're back, but with a lot more flexibility. So it's gotten a major upgrade. Hey everyone, my name is Lacia, and today I'm going to walk you through what's new with context steps in Braze, how they improve upon Canvas entry properties, and how you can use them in real flows. Before we dive in though, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Braze tips and tricks. So what exactly is a context step? Think of it as a dynamic notepad that lives inside of your Canvas journey. You can define temporary variables like product names or cart values that only exist while the user moves through that specific canvas. Once the journey ends, those variables disappear. Now here's what's new and powerful. You can create static values or pull data from user profiles or Canvas entry properties. We'll see that once we get into the dashboard. Each context step can define up to 10 variables, and it gives you more control and accuracy compared to the old Canvas entry properties, which were limited in how they could be used across steps. So let's see how this works in Braze. In the Canvas Builder, you'll find the context step block. We can just drag that in, and I'll use that to define a few variables for my pretend store Snack Shack. When a user adds something into their cart, the event is passed to Braze from your SDK or API, and so let's capture some of that data. First, we're going to create a variable called cart item. This is going to be a string, and we're going to pull the product name directly from the Canvas entry property that comes in with the event. And that way, when someone adds hot Cheetos or kale chips, Braze will remember which one just for the duration of their journey. Next, we'll make a cart value variable. This one's a number, so we're going to use it to segment users who spend more than $50 or less. Once the variables are set, we can now use them in messages. For example, if the user's cart value is more than 50, we can send them, "Thanks, big spender, don't forget the cart item waiting in your cart." Otherwise, we can send, "Your cart item is getting lonely. Grab it before it sells out." We also use context variables for delays or decision splits. So for instance, a delay can follow up exactly 2 hours after someone adds to their cart using the cart added time variable. Or we can personalize a push message based on their product type. A few things to know while you use this context step is that context variables can't be previewed inside message editors, and they also don't work through test sends. So you're going to need to launch a practice canvas, a full one, to see them in action. In short, Canvas steps replace and improve upon Canvas entry properties. They support static values, Canvas data, and user profile data, and the variables within it are temporary, accurate, and reset per user journey. They also don't add data points to the user profile. And importantly, they can open up new use cases for personalization that are tied directly to your current Canvas flow. So, what would you build using context steps? Let me know in the comments and tell me what Braze topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more Braze content and visit Covalent Marketing for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.